Hello and welcome back to the next installment of the introductory videos on Locarla for premium license holders. This is going to be a complete run through of the work we've done so far. Do remember that this is we are releasing this bit by bit so everyone can get used to it, and we'll only fully move on over from HousingNet when all the data has been moved across. So we would sign on as usual onto HousingNet, and when you do sign on, you'll see this Locarla link up in the header. Click on the link and it'll open up the companies table. Immediately you'll see we've added select options here, but we'll have a quick run through of what we've done so far, a quick refresher. So we can either search for a partial name or a full name search of all the companies on the database. We can export these results, but also we can click on the name to display all the information that we hold on that company. You'll see we've added a few new sections. So at the moment you're on the profile view, housing, finance, people, maps linking back to the universal map on HousingNet. Library contains the news, reports and minutes. Tenders and contracts contains any current tenders, current contracts, expired contracts and frameworks. Planning applications is new, and the statistics has a list of used KPIs. We'll close that down so you can go through those obviously at your leisure. Remember that all the tables on Locarla are in this spreadsheet format, and all columns can be sorted either alphabetically or numerically. We remember to clear the name search when we move over to select options. So here we'll look for all housing associations. Let's look for all ALMOs. We're only looking at ALMOs, so you can see if I uncheck, we've got 1,905 results. That's showing all housing association results. And if I select ALMO, it's only going to show me the ALMOs. Location, we'll choose England, and we'll look at the northeast and the northwest. So now we've got all ALMOs in the northeast or northwest. We can also do this by size of organization, and we can also look at select only parents or subsidiaries. Down here you'll notice that we have the selected options that we've chosen so far. We can delete them, and we can also use this to open up the panel again to make a new selection. That is the companies table. You will be able to save those searches in future, just not now. Moving through the menu, people, you'll see all the people are back. Works in exactly the same way. Company type, housing association, department, IT, and location. Let's look at Greater London. We'll see we've got 240 results, but we can also look within these results for any individual. Again, we've split the housing stock and the finance, but these will be combined into the companies table. Again, this is why they don't have a select option search, because these are temporary tables. But again, this is all about pulling out the data in this spreadsheet format. I think you'll find it makes it a lot easier to use. And also the export functionality is always there. Same with finance, but the contracts one I'd like to show you is here. Again, we can search for do a keyword search. So this is going to search through every client, contract title, and winner. So if we looked at, say, Mears, we would have all Mears. If you see here, you can't see Mears initially, but that's because it's there's multiple winners on that contract, and Mears is one of them. And again, we can open up the side panel from here. So I'll just get rid of that. So now what we're doing is we're looking for tenders. We're going to be looking in the housing sector. So this is tenders in the housing sector. In the Northwest, you can see the results are dropping down. So this is all current tenders in the Northwest in the housing sector. Trades, hopefully by now you'll be used to our trade system. So we're looking for all kitchen and bathroom contracts in the Northwest, and there's in the housing sector, and we see there's 8 results, and you'll see these will be, if I just these are obviously these come out exactly the same time as the normal tenders come out on HousingNet each day, so you can move over to this system for accessing daily tenders. Now if I want to save that search, click on this save button. So we're going to go Northwest KB tenders. This will update every day when any new tenders matching that description comes out. You'll see now we've got this drop down list. So there's our default view. That's been made as the home page, but I can change my home page to my current tenders. So whenever I come back here, if I was to refresh this page, I will always come back to my tenders. Obviously you can make multiple searches, and you can also delete any searches that you've made. If we look at another one, contract awards, we're going to be looking at more of our pipeline here. So we'll look at housing, location. We'll look at the let's look at the southeast and the southwest, and we'll look at all materials contracts, and we will look at anything that's expiring between 1 and let's say 5 years. We're going to apply that. So now we've got 179 results. We can actually sort these out by value. So we're looking for anything less than 1 million. And here are our 19 results matching our description that we can use to look at our pipeline. So again, I'm going to save this search. I'm going to call it pipeline and then save it. And again, it will appear up here along with all your other contracts. We will be in Manchester next week. If you'd like to join us for one of our training sessions, we've got a house there, all very relaxed. If you can make it, that would be great. If you haven't signed up yet, please contact us on hello@locarla.com. And if you can't make the training session, just get in touch and we can always swing round. But we can do online. We're happy to do any online demos that you might require. But again, this is a work in progress. It's going to be out. We're gradually releasing it, and we aim to have it all out in about 2 months. But you'll see, if you are at one of our training sessions next week, you'll see the main bulk of the work that we're going to be doing is still to come. It's all quite exciting. I hope you like it. As I say, if you have any questions, please get in touch. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.